Hi guys, this is Nikash here. So today I'm back with another Google interview problem. So the problem name is license key formatting. So in this problem you have been given a string s and an integer k. The string is something like this. So if you can observe, the string has been divided into n plus 1 parts by n number of dashes. Okay. So this string has been divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 3 dashes. So you have also been given an input k, which is 4. So in this case, what you need to output is you need to form a string which will have k number of characters in every group. So basically, the first group has 4 characters, second group has 4 characters. So that's the first key point. And second key point to observe here is the input string contains the lowercase letters, whereas the output string contains only the uppercase letters. So one is uppercase letters, second is k groups, so k characters in every group. Okay. So one more condition given here is the first group can contain lesser number of characters than k. So it's not necessary that the first group should contain k number of characters, but it can contain lesser number of characters. Okay. So first group can be less than k. So if you see the problem, right, so you don't care about the first group. So you need to first form the last group so that it has all the k characters. So the good data structure to use here is the stack. So let's see how we can solve this problem by using a stack. Let's say I take a stack. So first we traverse the string from left to right and input all the characters to our stack. And whenever we are inputting to the stack, we make sure that we input the uppercase letter of that particular character. So in this case, it will be 5, F, 3, Z, and whenever we encounter a dash, we don't push it to the stack. We push only the alphanumerical characters and not the dash. Okay. So in this case, I will not push dash, whereas next is 2, and if you can see, I input the uppercase letter of this one, and then it's 9 and then W. So now we need to pop all the elements from our stack, and every time we pop, we append the character to a result string and increment the count. So whenever we increment the count, we also make sure that the count is not equal to k. If it is equal to k, then we need to append a dash to our result string. So we need two variables, which is a result string and then a count. And we need to check if count is equal to k. At that time, append a dash. So let's see how this will work. So our result string is this one and count is initially 0, right? So for the first time, when I pop the character W and append it to the string, result string, the count becomes 1. So 1 is not equal to 4 in this case, so we continue. We pop 9, count is 2, then it's E, count is 3, then we pop 2 and count becomes 4. So in this case, as count is equal to k, we need to append a dash to the result string. So we append a dash and then we make the count as 0. Okay. So now we start popping the elements from the stack again. So now it's Z and count becomes 1. Next is 3, count becomes 2, next is F, then 5, F and then 5, count becomes 4. We have encountered the condition the stack is empty. So till now the result string formed is like this. So it's W9E2 dash Z3F and 5. So but we need something like this. So basically, if you can observe, we need to reverse the string what we have formed to get the output string. So basically at the end, reverse the result. Okay, so basically result will be 5 F 3 Z hyphen 2 E 9 W. So it's exactly the string what we needed. Okay, so this is one of the important questions asked in Google interviews, and next I'll be showing how we can solve this by coding. If you want me to solve any particular question, please let me know in the comment section below. and keep learning every day. Thank you. Hi guys. So this is Nikash here. So today I'll be writing the code for the problem license key formatting. So this is one of the important questions asked in the Google interviews. As I've already explained the logic and how to solve this problem, I'll start writing the code right away. Basically, first we need three things. One is stack. Let's name it st. We need a result string to show the result, and we need a count variable. Let's initialize with the count with 0. Okay. The first thing what you need to do is you need to traverse the string and push all the characters to a stack except the dash. And whenever you're pushing, you need to make sure that you are pushing the uppercase of that particular character. So for C, whatever we have in a string, C is not equal to dash, then we need to push it. Okay, so now we have traversed to the string and pushed all the uppercase of alphanumeric characters to our stack. So now we need to start popping it and append to a result string, and every time we append, we increment the count, and once the count is 4, which is k, we need to append and dash and make the count as 0. So we basically will loop until our stack is empty. Every time we need to append the top of the stack to our result string, and you need to pop it as well, and you need to increment the count. So if the count is equal to k, and if stack is still not empty, let's say this is not the last character, then we need to append a dash. And also make sure we make the count as 0. Okay, so at the end of this while loop, the stack is empty. We have appended all the characters to a result string from top to bottom. So in this case, the result is in reverse order, so we need to basically reverse it. And then return the result. Okay, so this is the problem. Let's run it and see if it passes for all the cases. Looks like at least it passed for the base case. Let's submit the problem. Okay, it's solved. So it has been accepted. So this, as I said, this is one of the important questions asked in the Google interviews. So if you want me to solve any other particular question, please do let them know in the comment section below. And if you want to get notified whenever I post any video, please do like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button as well, and keep learning every day. Thank you.